Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to set up a gold-silver ratio based on continuous future data, so that it's more robust than just extracting data from different websites. First of all, let's see what I'm gonna do here. So I'm using in Google Sheets the import XML as a function, and I'm using the Google Finance URL. I've also extracted here the URL separately, but in here I built or stuffed everything into one function. So using the Google Finance URL plus the ticker code of the continuous gold future price. So that makes it a lot easier that we don't need to adjust anything if a future contract expires. And at the very end, we also have to add this part. And now there's just a minor adjustment to do, that we scrapping from the Google Finance website only a special part of it, which is marked with this unique ID, and this one will remain in the future as well, so there's no adjustment to be made, so you can use this one. Yeah, and then basically I get the quote from the gold continuous future contract, and I also do that for the silver one and just divide it, and then you get the gold silver ratio. Below the video you have the functions or the code for using this function, and if you have any questions to it, just write me a comment, and I hope this one helps you, and see you soon. Bye bye.